Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini trading room recap for the 16th of April, Wednesday. And today was another good day in the markets. We had a pretty nice gap up here. Market did chop around quite a bit and moved lower as it was chopping. And then around 11ish started to move higher and definitely made it for a very interesting market. We ended up closing up early around here. We ended up taking 4 trades, fairly quickly. We took all 4 trades in the first half an hour, and you could say the first 25 minutes of the trading session. Our first trade was a short over here, which we did take some profits on. The market did come up again, and we did take another short, which we ended up writing down a little bit more and taking a bit more profits. The next trade, we kind of watched this as the market did start coming back up. We did take another short, and we were able to write that down, taking some profits, and then we got short one more time, and we were able to make some more profits on that. So 4 trades, pretty quick in concession, and we pulled out 13.25 points. From there, we kind of watched this as it chopped around a little bit. It was definitely looking pretty ugly, and then it came up and ran down a little more. By that time it was just getting very convoluted, very choppy, and ended up closing up a little early. 13.25 points, it's hard to really be upset over that. And adding to our month that we're having already, we're having an awesome month, and the market's moving really nicely, so it's giving those opportunities. When the market is moving nicely, usually you are able to grab those setups that are present. When the market's not really moving that well, that's when it's a grind, but it really has been really well. And of course, obviously, going forward, I don't expect to have 10+ point days back to back constantly. It's something that when it happens, it's great, but it's not very often that actually does occur. So anyway, wanted to talk about that a little bit. But it's great when you do, especially on a shortened week like this week. No trading Friday, and it's been an awesome week, been a great month. And it really does come back to when you have really great days, especially back-to-back days. You don't develop that ego. You stay objective about every single trade, whether you made money or lost money on the past trade. It's really irrelevant whenever you're coming to your present trade. What you did in the past really doesn't matter. Like in life, you say, for example, you're going to be a runner. Well, how many races have you won? They're going to look at that, especially if you go to the Olympics as a runner. They're going to look at how you performed in the past as you were progressing through your running career. In trading, yeah, if you're going to work for somebody as a trader, but for the most part, if you're a trader, you're working for yourself. So in reality, comparing those two industries, it really doesn't matter what you did as a trader, what you did last year, what you did yesterday, what you did in your last trade. So everything starts over basically as a trader, and that's the way you really have to look at it. This trade is starting at 0. Your next trade from now starting at 0. So that's the way I try to look at it, and I think that does make sense. And hopefully you got something out of what I just talked about today. You can always leave comments below the video. You can also email me directly if you wish. The contact form is on the right hand side of the website. With that, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you back here tomorrow in the markets. Thank you.